Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Suhas from Batch 24, and today I'm here to give my internship presentation, which was done on machine learning domain under the guidance of Professor Shobha BS and external guidance of Mr. Abhishek C. The flow of my presentation is as follows. First, we will look into the brief details of the company, followed by brief detail about the internship. Then we will look into the work done by me during the internship, along with the project process and then the algorithms used in the process, along with the comparisons. Then we will look into the skills gained during the internship, benefits of the internship, and certification of completion. About the company, IC Solution is a private organization located in Bangalore. It offers creative services to clients worldwide. ICS provides all kinds of technological and designing solutions from building software to web design or any custom demands that we may have. The company has designed and developed many websites for their clients worldwide, and those are displayed on their official page. So, some of the services provided by ICS are digital marketing. ICS perform digital marketing of all types of email marketing, social marketing, search engine optimization, and content marketing. Web development. They provide responsive, functional, and super fast website. In mobile application, they offer wide range of professional Android, iOS, and hybrid apps development services for global clients and from a startup to a large enterprise. They offer professional graphic design and virtual design and logo design, consultancy and videos. About the internship, the duration of the internship was 30 days. It was from 11 November 2020 to 12 December 2020. We were first trained on basics of Python and machine learning, and we were also provided with hands-on experience over different data analysis and visualization libraries. At the end of the training, we were divided into a group of three and were given a project, which was to build a regression model. Along with the project, we were asked to make a report of the project process being carried out, and we were asked to submit the report along with the project for evaluation. A mentor was assigned to us who would help us with all the queries regarding the project and would evaluate our performance. Intern was graded based on the performance. Certification of completion was provided later. Work done. A problem of car price was given to us as automobile sales are on a global increase. So there is a need for car price prediction system to effectively determine the worthiness of a car using a variety of features. The objective of our project during the internship was to predict the retail price of a car by training different machine learning regression models on the given dataset and evaluate the performance of individual models. The outcome of the project was to evaluate the performance of individual models to select the one with a high accuracy to maximize the efficiency of price prediction system. The project process. First we clean the data set which was provided to us. Then we use different data analysis and visualization libraries to showcase our data. Then we trained the data set and evaluated the performance of the models using six different algorithms, which are linear regression, random forest regulator, gradient boosting regulator, support vector regression, decision tree regulator, and extra tree regulator. And out of these, the best model was selected, which is the random forest regulator, which showed an accuracy of 86.34%. Coming to the skills acquired, during the internship, we were exposed to extreme time management and teamwork, project planning, and we improved our problem solving and critical thinking. And then coming to the technical part, we were exposed to Python environment. We used notebooks, and we did some data analysis and visualization and an approach towards machine learning. These are the benefits of internship: applying classroom knowledge, network opportunities, and getting valuable experience. This is the internship completion certificate. Thank you.